This one TikTok shop affiliate generated $46,000 in less than 7 days with a 49-second video where they do not even speak. And there's something crazy about this video that just makes it a lot to create than a lot of TikTok shop affiliates, especially if you're just starting out and you're concerned about what type of videos you are going to create. I'm going to answer all of those questions for you, and I'm going to show you all the proof that you'll ever need. I will link all the resources that I use in this video in the description so you can go and check them out yourself. Let us not waste any further time. Let's jump straight into the source. TikTok shop affiliates are making money. The more I think about it, the more insane it gets. So in Kalo Data here, which is a TikTok shop data insights tool, in simple words, it just shows you what currently sells the most on TikTok shop. It shows you videos of creators that are making the most sales. It also shows you how much revenue these creators are bringing in, and you can filter all of this wonderful information by looking at the last 7 days. So you can see what's trending recently, what's selling the most. So if you're a new TikTok shop affiliate yourself, you can make more informed decisions on what the best products to promote are, because you can see what people are selling and what's being bought the most. Now, I've linked Kalo Data in the description if you want to go and check it out. I have got a bit of a welcome gift as well, where you'll get it at a discounted rate if you sign up, use up the free trial, and decide to upgrade. I am currently using the professional version because it's a really, really useful tool when it comes to doing research on becoming a TikTok shop affiliate, or even if you're starting a TikTok shop of your own. If you're a shop owner and you just don't know what on earth to sell, what's in demand, and how much money you could potentially make, this is good for those reasons as well. However, I digress. There's just this crazy way that people are currently promoting products as TikTok shop affiliates, which is kind of clever, really. It's kind of, crazy that I've not really noticed it too much before. And this is essentially promoting products by duetting people's videos that are promoting the product. Let me explain. So I'm in Kalo Data here. I've gone into the video tab at the top, and then I've gone into one of these videos here. And what the video tab shows you is essentially the best performing videos in the last 7 days. You can see information like how much revenue each video has made. You can see how long the video is. This one at the top is 49 seconds long. You can see what product they're promoting. The top one is promoting vitamin tablets, and you can see how much revenue they've made in the last 7 days. We know it's the last 7 days because, as you can see next to where it's got revenue there, it's got revenue dates just above that graph there, and it tells you that this is between the 15th of May and the 21st of May. So this creator here, for example, generated £241 in this period, which works out to around $250, just loosely converting pounds to dollars there. It'll be thereabouts, and we can see how many views that TikTok video got there. We can see other really useful data points here as well. But for the purposes of this particular video and just understanding what is this crazy way that people are earning a ton of money promoting products as TikTok shop affiliates, because there's many different types of videos you can make as a TikTok shop affiliate, right? Some of them are easy, some of them are hard. It really depends on, what you're comfortable creating. Some of them are faceless, some of them are AI, some of them people really take the time, show their face, showcase the product, demo the product, and so forth. So there's a multitude of ways in terms of how you can promote products here. But this is pound for pound one of the easiest ways that I've come across. And I've seen it a bunch of times now, both here on Kalo Data and on another tool that I like to use, which is similar to Kalo Data, called Shop Plus as well. The video that we're going to focus on, the example is this top one here, which is 49 seconds long. So I've clicked into that video, and this is the video details section here. So again, some really useful information you can see on this page, and we're going to dive into the video itself here in just a bit. But you can see again the name of the creator there on the top right, how many followers they've got. On the top left, you can see the details about the video. You can see the hashtags they used to promote the video. You can see the sound they used. It looks like they used the original sound, even though they were duetting someone else. There weren't any additional music, sounds, or anything like that that was used. The video was published on the 14th of May. That's another crazy part as well. At the time of me recording this video, it's the 23rd of May, and this video right here was published and posted on TikTok on the 14th of May. Now, you can also download the video here. You can download the video script as well, so you can understand exactly what the person that's talking in the video is saying. We're going to circle back to that here in just a second. Now, even though this video was uploaded on the 14th of May, it generated £201,000, $260. I'm just going to bring up an exchange rate here, which you're not going to see because I'm doing it on a separate screen. And I'm just going to put it pound to dollar, and keep in mind the exchange rate changes every day. This is just today's exchange rate for the purposes of this video, just so I can let you know how much this is exactly in dollars. I know dollars are very popular and they make sense to a lot of people that watch YouTube videos and other platforms online, as opposed to our local Great British Pound here in the UK. So even though the video was uploaded on the 14th of May, they generated £241,260 in sales. So if I convert that, 241,260 into dollars, that works out at $306,828. So now the crazy part is that is the revenue, right? That is what goes to the shop that they're promoting the products on behalf. This doesn't go into the TikTok Shop affiliates pocket. In terms of what they get in their own pockets, I'm going to go into another tool here that I like to use that I mentioned. It's called Shop Plus, and you'll notice here that they have the same product here, vitamin D3 supplement. But what I'm interested in is the commission. How much commission is this person earning from promoting this product? Now, as we can see here, they're earning 15% commission. So anyone who promotes this product essentially in the USA as a TikTok Shop affiliate earns 15% commission, is what I'm trying to say. So this goes back here. So this person that generated £241,000, or rather $306,000, they earned 15% off $306,828 between now and the 14th of May, when this 49-second video was uploaded. And again, we're going to circle back into the video so you can see how the video itself was created, which is again another crazy part. So 15% off amount works out to, I'm just going to bring up a calculator here. Again, you can't see that because that's on a separate screen. And so that's 15%. So that's 300, I think it was 308,000. Is that what we said? Let me just go back. So we said that was, yeah, so that's 306,828. So let me just go back to the calculator. So 306,828, and if you multiply that by 15%, the commission they would have received is $46,024 in the last 7 days from promoting this product, which is just absolutely ridiculous. Now let's get to what makes this even crazier, and what's just going to drive a lot of TikTok Shop affiliates insane, that have been racking their brains trying to make complicated, difficult videos that have not been converting and making them any commission at all. It just goes to show a lot of the time you don't need to go the difficult approach. You need to try and go with the easy approach, as you'll see here in just a second. So I'm just going to click on the video.
Did you know if you're gaining weight, especially around the midsection, or if you get that eyelid twitch that just won't go away, if you're having trouble sleeping at night and you're craving sweets constantly?
So for greater context, the person who uploaded this video that we're looking at right now is the person that's on the left hand side, the lady that's playing with her hair right now, and she's duetting this other guy that uploaded their video at another point in time, earlier, talking about the same product that is being promoted here. So the person who's made the money we're talking about today is the lady.
Where you feel like you get overly emotional over little things. These are all signs of high cortisol, which is often due to a deficiency in vitamin D. This right here is a great vitamin D supplement.
And there it is. So she's reacting to that video. She's not saying anything. She's letting the guy speak. But as soon as that product comes out, she's got exactly the same product in her hand. Now, let's break this down. The reason why she's doing this is because if you are promoting a product, for those who don't know, as a TikTok Shop affiliate, you need to have the product. Now, there's many workarounds to this. However, in this instance, because she's duetting someone else's video, she's got to have the product in her hands. Otherwise, that video could very easily be taken down, because you can be seen as essentially someone that is making money off the back of someone else. So say for example, the guy on the right, I've bought the product, and I've gone to the effort of making a high quality video promoting the product, and then you come in and just duet my video. You don't even have the product in hand, but you end up making more money than me. You know, how would that look? So you need to have the product in hand, and straight away she's showing TikTok. She's not just showing the people that are watching the video, she's also showing the TikTok algorithm here that she's got the product in hand. So she has gone to the effort of purchasing the product, and she's using the product that the person is talking about as well. So that kind of resonates with the creator that's created that video. And to be honest, if someone duetted my video where I'd, you know, made money as a TikTok Shop affiliate, and they had the product in hand, it doesn't look as bad as someone who just jumps on, just, you know, jacks the video and, you know, doesn't even have the product in hand, reacting to me, and yet they end up making thousands of dollars off the back of work that I did. So not only are they you know, looking a little bit better in terms of how they're approaching this video, but they're also indicating to the TikTok algorithm that, hey, I've got the product. I'm genuinely trying to help promote a product that I am using here. Here is the product. Let me show you. So she's, you know, talking to them as well.
It's got 10,000 IU of D3 and 200 micrograms of K2. What's great about this company is they always use the high quality version of K2, which is in.
Boom. And what's even crazier is she does not even say a word so far. Let's watch the rest.
K7. And they don't make these with any synthetic. It lasts you almost. Let's take one of these every energy. My mood is better. I'm sleeping up in the middle. It's just from one of these.
Great video, by the way, from the dude. He's explained it really, really well. And the lady, she doesn't say a single word in it, but you can genuinely see she's got the product in hand, and she's showing, you know, the tablets that she takes that are in the product, and she is genuinely coming across as someone that's using it as well. So now the crazy part is, all you would need to do if you were following this approach as a new TikTok Shop affiliate, you would essentially go onto a tool like Kalo Data, which again I will have linked in the description, and you would go into, say, product, and you would look at the most popular product that is currently in demand. In this case, as you can see, it is the 15-day cleanse gut and colon support. And by the way, this product is blowing up everywhere in the US at the moment, and it's been top for like the last 4 to 5 weeks. I know this because not only do I use the Kalo Data Insights tool, but I also use Shop Plus. And if I go into top sales here, you'll see exactly the same product. So, you know, that's an indication that if you're starting out, you know, it might be a product that you want to think about promoting, because it's currently the most in-demand product where TikTok Shop affiliate is concerned in the US. So I digress. Apologies if you heard the background noise of a car driving not too far from my home. So yeah, so essentially that is what you do. You'd go into that top product section, you'd select the product, and then you would essentially, you know, like what I'm doing right now, go into the product. Once I go into the product, Kalo Data is going to show me some really useful insights there, how much money or how much revenue the product is generating over the last 7 days. I can look at yesterday, I can look at the last 30 days, but more importantly, I can look at this graph here as well, which shows me how this product has performed over a specified period of time. In this instance, I've selected 30 days at the top there, so we're looking at the last 30 days. We can look at the last 90 days, and what I want to see is whether this is trending downward, whether the demand is dying for this product or whether it's going upwards, whether people are buying more and more of this product. And as soon as I can see that it's, you know, kind of going up and down, and it's steadily going upwards, then that tells me that, you know, it's a pretty stable product to jump on and promote. So that is kind of like the, you know, one of the first things you do if you're doing product research. And then what you'd also be doing is going on to the bottom here to see what creators are promoting this product and how much money they're making and what type of videos they're doing, and think about what type of videos you want to do as well. For example, you might be more of a live person and, you know, you're comfortable being live and talking about products in front of people. Then this creator is the one that should be inspiring you, because they've generated 455,000 pounds in the last 90 days. Let's go back to 7 days. There we go. So in the last 7 days, 170,000 pounds. Again, that will work out roughly at around $180,000. They've also got video revenue as well there, which is actually, this is a different creator, sorry. So yeah, you can essentially see who's making the most money live. You can see who's making the most money by, you know, on-demand videos, and you've basically got lots of creators that you can use as inspiration here. You can then go into whichever creator you select and actually look at the video that they're creating, the products that they're promoting, and then you can kind of, you know, download that recording, as I've shown you with that last example here that I seem to have lost. Where is it now? Oh, actually, if I go back into product, let me just go back. There we go. So this is the example we've been talking about. So yeah, as you can see, once you go down to like video level, to like the sort of lowest level on the website, which shows you the actual video, you've got all the information you'll ever need in terms of the type of videos, what's being said in the videos, hashtags, all that information, so you can kind of replicate that and create a similar video as well. But what's interesting in this approach is that you don't have to create your own original video. Is as long as you're able to get your hands on the product, and whether you use it or not doesn't matter. If you can get your hands on the product, you can just duet someone that's been successful on a product that you know has a high demand that works, and you essentially just show your face. You don't even need to talk in the video, and you just show that you've got the product in hand. As they're talking about the product, you're also opening up, you're also showing people that you've got the product as well, and that just adds to that trust of the people that are watching your video, that actually, you know, more and more people are using this product. Obviously, I'm talking about genuinely helpful products here. I'm not talking about, you know, just selling rubbish for the sake of making money. Just something that is genuinely helpful, even if you don't, you know, necessarily use it or need to use it yourself, as long as you've got it in hand. But yeah, crazy style of video. So again, $46,000 this account generated in the last 7 days, from 306,828 worth of revenue, which is a conversion of that amount there, as a TikTok shop affiliate with a 49-second video, again in the last 7 days. So what are you waiting for? If you're considering starting as a TikTok shop affiliate and you're based in the US and you're wanting to make as much money as possible before this ban ever kicks in, if it does kick in, there you go.